tips on how to pick the right messenger bag for your camera. Camera bags come in several sizes, from rolling cases, holster bags, shoulder bags, sling bags to backpacks, to name a few. The type most people think about when they hear camera bag is the typical camera shoulder bag, often referred to as a messenger bag. These camera messenger bags are fitted with top-loading windows for easy access to their camera and accessories and are usually held over the shoulder or hand strap. Lower camera messenger bags are made in a wide range of sizes, making them suitable for the specific needs of a photographer. How much are you hauling? Camera messenger bags from popular messenger bag manufacturers vary in sizes to match a simple mirrorless kit to a full pro package of location shots. To find the perfect camera messenger bag, ask yourself, how much equipment do I need to bring to enjoy and excel in my photography? Where are you going to shoot? Do you need extra security from the elements or to remain safe and trendy for shooting in the city? If you're headed out to the high country, going on holiday, or just taking a photo walk around town, there are purpose-built camera messenger bags to make sure your equipment is safe and help you catch the perfect shot. Photographers around the city want a safe and flexible bag that suits their style while also offering protection from weather and effect. Are you going to carry a tablet or a laptop in your camera messenger bag? Don't just cram your pricey electronics anywhere, try to ensure you have a specific safe compartment. Having a camera messenger bag that not only safeguards a camera but also a tablet or a laptop is a must for a traveling photographer. Are you traveling by plane? Please ensure your camera messenger bag is compliant and travel-free of worry. When traveling by plane, prevent checking in your camera gear that can lead to loss or damage. Please ensure you can get the equipment you need and still be able to pack up it in the overhead compartment. Airline carry-on specifications vary by airline and country, but usual domestic carry-on specifications cannot exceed 45 inches or 114.3 centimeters, length plus width plus height. So make sure that your camera messenger bag fits all these boxes before making your purchase. Business owners and retailers, if you are interested in adding this new style of bag to your store, then get in touch with one of the best bulk bag suppliers in the industry. All you have to do is go through the collection, select pieces you want, and place orders.